What is up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Meli. If you're new here, I'd love to have you subscribe. You can hit that little red button around there and subscribe. It's totally free. And I do have social media linked down below if you want to follow me and support me over there. I would appreciate it. And we're going to go ahead and jump into the January base box. This is the box that I pay for myself. This is $25 a month. And this is not a PR box. I do have an affiliate link down below. You guys know I love to keep it up real and honest with you. Up real, what is that? Honest and real with you guys. So well, let's go ahead and jump in. First things first, the little card, fresh start. We're all hoping for a good fresh start this year, fingers crossed. And like I said in my previous boxes, I don't know what is up with the number this month. There isn't like a real variation number. There's just a whole bunch of numbers. Anyway, so the first thing that I'm going to jump into is the Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette. This is $30. This is what the unicarton looks like. And this palette is so freaking cute. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. It's actually the eye look that I have on right now. I did my best attempt at a crease because I do have small almond, slightly hooded eyes. So it was the best that I could do. Let me know how you guys feel about cut creases. I do more wearable looks on my Instagram, but I do want to try to get into doing a little bit of more fun, creative looks as cut creases are and such. So we'll play around with it. But this is what the palette looks like. I really love the packaging. It's a tiny little palette, but it packs a punch. I was surprised when I opened it how many shades it has. I was, 12 shades in this tiny little thing is a lot, and they are a great size rectangularly. There are beautiful shimmers in here, beautiful mattes. They blend very seamlessly on the lid. I love this. I do have a try on portion that you guys will see me trying this on. And yeah, they're super creamy, almost you would think that they're a cream, but I guess that's where they get their velvet name from, and really enjoyed this. Next thing in here is the Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleansing Toner. This is $28. I already got this in my PR box, so I will be putting this in a giveaway for you guys. Hopefully I will have it up on my Instagram soon, but if you want to enter, just leave your Instagram handle down below and leave me a comment on what you're looking for in the new year, and you will be entered. Or you can go into my Instagram and enter over there once I post the picture. But I will include this, and this is the Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleansing Toner. And yeah, it is really great as far as the brand Pharmacy. I absolutely love their skincare, so I really have really high expectations for this. God, I can't talk today. Next thing in here is the Laura Geller High Def Glow Illuminator Duo. This is called Heart of Gold and is $33. I was a little surprised by the size of this, how small it is, even though, to be honest, who has ever used up a highlighter? I don't think anyone has. So there is that, but they are smaller than most highlighters that I've come to see. It does have a little mirror, and it has a light gold and a darker gold. So those are the two shades. I just mixed them both together and basically covered my face in gold. But you will see it in the try on portion. You can apply this lightly and build it up as well. Very nice quality. Next thing in here is the Dr. Brandt Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. Holy crap, that is a name. But this is worth $82, which that is a little too pricey for me. My limit for eye creams is around $45, $50. I already have quite a few eye creams in my collection, and I will put this in the same giveaway with some other makeup products. So look out for the picture on Instagram. And then the last thing in here is the Bali Balm, the Sweet Orange and Coconut. This is worth $33, and I was so in shock that this balm was so expensive. It does have vitamin C, sweet orange, coconut. It has different essential oils, and it smells divine, but it is pricey. But those are the things that came in my base box. I'm almost sure that I picked this, the Pharmacy, as my choice for this month. And I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the try on portion for you guys. For the try on portion, we're gonna go ahead and start out with this Ciate London, the Velvet palette. These look so creamy and nice. I'm going to try to do a little bit of a cut crease, just a little one in the beginning, just to really make it pop. We're gonna start out with this peach shade and use this as our transition shade. This one is going to be a very simple look. I'm going to use this dark purple shade right there, and we are just going to put this on the outer crease and outer lid. And just to darken it up a little bit, I think I'm gonna go in with this brighter coral and put that on the inner half of the crease as well, just to darken it up a little bit more. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the crease off camera and then come back. So I went ahead and cut the crease. I'm not used to wearing cut creases, but I really want to incorporate them from time to time. So we're going to go ahead and use this beautiful purple shade and put that all over where I put the primer, and see how this turns out looking. Hopefully this will be cute. We shall see. Went ahead and applied liner, lashes, and finished my left eye. And what we're gonna do is use this beautiful glitter shade and apply this in the inner corner here. And it's just gonna give it a little extra puff. And then for underneath the lash line, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with, the coral shade. The next product that I'm going to try is the Bali Balm, just a tiny bit of it, and see. It smells so good. It smells very tropical. Ooh. It kind of just smells like coconut and like as if you're on vacation. So this smells amazing. The only thing I don't like is the price point, but it very nice and emollient. And I'm gonna put a liquid lip on top just because it is just a bomb. And then we're gonna try the Laura Geller High Def Glow Illuminator Duo. And let me just get a highlighting brush. This is one of my favorite ones. This is from Royal and Langlingle, the Omnia complexion. It's like this. This stuff is amazing. And there's two golds in here. I'm just going to mix them together and do maybe a light sweep. So that's just a light sweep. And let's just go in this sucker and build this up and see how it builds up. Oh yes. Oh, I love a blinding highlight. Oh yes. Let's highlight the nose. Let's go ahead and do that. Oh, that is so pretty. I love that. Oh, okay. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and come back with my final thoughts for you guys. For my final thoughts, I have to say the Ciate London was really nice. The Laura Geller, the Pharmacy, everything in here is a good bang for its buck. I definitely like this box a lot. I think that they started out the new year doing a great job with this box. Let me know what your thoughts are. What were your choice products? I'd love to hear from you guys down below. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, like I said, you can subscribe hitting that little red button. It's free. And also you can follow me on my social media down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.